Pretty cool spot. You just pull over on the side of the road, completely legal, and you're parked right next to this river. You can see a waterfall coming out right there. You see the river. Yeah, you could pay and park down in these campgrounds, but up here it's totally legit. And you can actually, from a certain point, I actually think from here up, you can actually drive your razor on the street legally. But we're gonna go down and hit this trail. We're gonna hit a new trail today, and I'll show you what it is. Okay, a little history about Silverton. It was in 1860, Charles Baker and several prospectors entered the San Juan Mountains in search of wealth. They soon found deposits of gold and silver along the Animas River in an area that was later called Baker's Park. And I believe that's where Silverton is right now. It's where the original Baker's Park is. The prospectors stayed through the summer but returned to what is now northern Mexico for the winter. News spread of the discovery. However, with the Civil War looming and discovery being located on Indian land, Ute Indian land, the miners did not return to the San Juan Mountains until early 1870s. So originally this land was all Indian land, and then the American government took it away from the Indians, and it became San Juan County. In 1874, Silverton's town site was laid out, and it soon became the center of numerous mining camps. In addition to the miners, Silverton caught the eye of the railroad company, and in 1882, the first train operated by Denver and Rio Grande Railroad rolled into Silverton from Durango. You can still ride a train into there today. I don't know if it goes all the way, but I'm pretty sure it gets pretty close. By 1883, Silverton boasted of having a population of 2,000 people, although today I think there's only like 700 people in there, with about 400 buildings, 2 banks, 5 laundries, 29 saloons, several hotels, and a red light district, the notorious Blair Street. And let's see, it was a little wild on one side of the town, but they made everybody that was wild and crazy stay on one side, and then the nice people on the other side, I guess. Due to slow market and low demand, mining in Silverton closed down in the early 1990s. However, there's still gold and silver in those mountains, and rumor has it that mining will be back someday. Anyway, that's a little history of it. You used to be able to ride your razor in the town of Silverton. You could go right in the town, pull up to a bar and go have a beer. But they've since, a couple years ago, they stopped allowing the razors and ATVs come into the town. So now, right about where you saw me start, really close to there, it says no ATVs beyond this point. So where I parked my trailer when the video first started, from that point, you can actually travel on the road and go up to the other trails that are up there. So it's a good place to park right there. Anyway, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, pretty cool. There's just mining equipment everywhere. There's some spots where the cables and the cable cars are still up in the air going through the forest, and it's amazing what these guys accomplished, like before hardcore machinery was even invented. I mean, a lot of this stuff was by hand. Anyway, it's a pretty cool place, well worth the visit, and yeah, enjoy.
get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wanna